Hello everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to use the Tumblr Retribution bot. When you first open the downloads folder, it'll look like this, except for it'll have two more files for the licensing system. To run the bot, just double click it. When you first start the bot, you'll notice, well, first you'll have to enter your license details and stuff like that. But you'll notice this user control, it's asking you if the bot it can run as administrator because it needs to, because of the picture uploader. You just click yes on that box and the bot will restart. I'm just showing you that so you know the behavior of the bot. Um, First, I'll start out by showing you how to save the settings. This is just an example here. Once you have all your settings filled out, all you have to do is go to the settings and out here. And this is for saving the settings, so the bot will auto load the settings so you don't have to remember them. You go to your downloads folder, if I can find it here. There it is. You'll see the settings.ini folder. Select that folder and click save. And then this dialog, the save as dialog will open. Click yes. And then scroll over here and click save settings. Now you'll notice when you close and restart the bot, all your settings will automatically load. And that works the same here for the Tumblr query bot. Let's see. You just go here, select the settings folder, click save, yes, and then save settings. You'll see that all the settings for the first tab, all the settings were saved. And then for the Tumblr query bot, all the settings were saved. No need to restart it, but they'll auto load. Alright, well, we'll get right into it. To use the bot, we can start out with the accounts file. In the folder, you'll see a file called accounts.cvs. Oops, here, I'll show you how you can do it. To open the file, just right click, go to open with, notepad. And this is how you want to put your accounts in the file. You want to put your email, your login email for the Tumblr account, and your password. To use multiple accounts of the bot, just put one account on each line. Make sure there's a colon separating the email and the password. Then click save and load them into the bot. I'm going to load my real account file. For your keyword file, there'll be a file called keywords in the downloads folder. You put one keyword on each line, and you can have as many as you like. Just make sure that there's no space at the end, and make sure there's no blank space at the end, like this. See how this cursor is here? That creates a blank line. If you do that, the bot will mess up when it tries to re-auto load the keywords and loop through them. So just make sure there's no blank line. Here, I'll show you. You can see it better if I open it in Notepad plus plus. You'll see the blank line. See how it creates a blank line right here? Let's make sure you don't do that, and also make sure there's no space after your keywords. Once you have that all set up, just load your keywords here. For proxies, in the downloads folder, if you're going to use multiple accounts, you'll need private proxies. Um, I don't, I'm not going to show you my real proxies, but I'll show you how the setup goes. Oh, sorry. Open with Notepad. The format for private proxies is IP colon port username colon password, and you can have as many as you would like, and you just put them on one line, on their own line like that. And the way that the proxies and the accounts work, on in the accounts file, the account on line 1 will use the proxy on line 1 in the proxy file. The account on line 1 will use the proxy on line 2. Or yeah, the proxy or the sorry, the account on line 1 will use the proxy on line 1. The account on line 2 will use the account or the proxy on line 2, and so on and so forth. I'm not going to use proxies. Once you have that all set up, you just click login. Sometimes that button, you got to hit it just right. Now that you're logged in, you can use the functions of the bot. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, if you want to do follows, you would check this box on, and let's say we want to do 10 follows for every keyword that's in the list. So if I had 4 keywords in this list and put the number 10 here, that means the bot will follow 40 people, 10 for each keyword. Once you have that done, you can go under the settings and fill out your settings. The way that I have this set up right now, what this will do is that every 10 follows, it will wait 60 seconds. Then when that 60 seconds is up, it'll follow another 10 people and then wait another 60 seconds, and another 10 and then wait another 60 seconds. That's the master delay to make it look more human. These random waits, you put, let's say put the number 9 there and 24 there. What the bot will do is pick a random number between 9 and 24 and wait that much time between each follow. So it'll follow one person, pick another random wait time, and then follow another person, and so on and so forth. Stop the bot at is just that. Let's say you want to make sure that the bot does not follow more than 20 people. You would put the stop the bot there. At stop the bot, you would put the number 20, and the bot would automatically stop after it's followed 20 people. And these settings work for each function. I'm just using follow as an example. This minimized to system tray. If you have this box checked, as soon as you press the run button here, it's going to send it to the system tray over here. If you don't want to use it like that, you can just press this send to system tray now, and it will send it over here and make it run in the background. It's a new feature of the bot there. Once you have all that set up, you just press run. The bot will search the first keyword in the file. You can see there. Go to those results and start to grab users, and you'll see that these are all usernames is what it's grabbing here. I've already followed these people, so it's not going to work, but here, let me put a new keyword in here. Just so you can see there. grab 10 users. I was already following that first person. Now what it's doing is it's waiting that random time that I showed you we set under the settings. If you're already following the person, all it does is skip next to the next person. See, it followed that person. Now the counter will go up. Now it's waiting the random time again. If you want the bot to go super fast, just leave the random wait times under the settings up here to 0. It's not recommended, but the bot goes way fast if you do that. But like I said, it's not recommended. You want it to look as human as possible. And that's pretty much it. Um, the likes, they work exactly the same. All these functions work exactly the same. You can only do one of these functions at a time. So if you want to do likes, you would just check that box and make sure all the rest of these are off. And then press run. It'll do the same thing, but this time it's grabbing posts to the query. See how it grabbed a post. And then it'll wait for this. It'll wait the random time under the settings, and then you'll see that like button get the little heart turn red, which means you liked it. And then you'll see the counter go up here. Must have picked a high wait time on that one. And there it goes. Um, yep. So let's do some reblogs. Tumblr. Now what it's doing is waiting the random time again, and this time it's going to click the reblog button here. It goes real quick when it does the reblogs. There you go, it reblogged it. Now you see the counter go up. There you go. When it's reblogs. If you want to unfollow, you just do the same thing. Should have picked some. I should have left the random weights on 0 so it would be faster for this video, but I didn't. Oh yeah, and so under the tools menu here and the settings I showed you how to show up or to set up. Make sure you don't try and change those settings while the bot's running, because it will cause the bot to have errors. So once you have them set up, don't try and change them unless you stop the bot. Because if you try and change the drop down in menus, the bot will automatically stop and it'll show an error. It'll tell you can't do that. Here, I'll show you right now. See? So don't just leave these settings as they are unless you stop the bot and restart it. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. The next tutorial will be on the Tumblr query bot.